bodies hit the floor. Everybody hit the floor. You got bottles, I got more. Let the bodies hit the floor. 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 Oh yeah. Bodies gon' drop like a bag of ice. Yeah. But if the cash is right, my homies don't.
Hey guys, it's Solit. This is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to do a braided ponytail using just one pack of extensions. So I'm going to get right into it. First, I always oil my scalp before braiding, so I'm using Wild Growth Hair Oil by Hair Growth Fast. Okay, so now that your hair is all oiled, we're going to just brush it out so that we can easily braid it. Moisturized, we're going to start putting it into the ponytail, and we're going to use Eco Styling Gel to sleek it down. Make sure that you're constantly brushing so that you'll have no bumps or anything, and don't worry about your edges, we're going to work on that later. Okay, I think I am good. Almost. Whenever you feel like you're ready, and make sure you brush your back too. And then, whenever you think that you're ready, you're gonna double knot. And then, we're gonna go in. Okay. Got my ponytail done. All secured, no bumps, and if you have bumps, you can just like go over them and comb it out.
Okay, so here you're going to want to get your solitsilks braiding hair. Yes, my brand, you already know. And then we're going to open up the package with your scissors. Okay, so now you're going to want to cut the length in half using scissors. Then we feather out the hair. So basically what you're doing here is just pulling out the hair very slowly, and you're just stretching it out to make a very natural look at the end. Here I'm separating the hair, and then I'm going to brush it out so that there's no tangles or anything. Now we're getting ready to add the extension to your actual ponytail. So you're just going to grab an elastic, put it through, get it through the middle, to the middle of the extensions, and make sure that there's no tangles. And then you're going to want to twist it. And then we're going to attach it. So here, very important, we're actually starting the braid. So what I do is I separate my natural hair into 3 sections, and 2 of the sections are with the extensions itself, and the other one is just your natural hair, and then you start braiding. Okay, so this is another important part. Once you get to this point where you have that natural hair sticking out because it's too short, you're gonna stop the braid. So I use a clip to just hold the braid, and then I'm gonna get some more hair ready. So I'm gonna stretch it out again, and then we're gonna just add it, like we're gonna feed it in. It's really hard to explain this part to you guys where I'm feeding in a piece of extension to make it longer, but in the future I'll make better videos and better angles so I can show you guys exactly how I do it. Same thing again, we're just adding another piece to make the braid longer. Okay, now we have our finished braid, and this part you don't have to do, but I just wanted a messier look, so I'm just going back and opening up the braid just to give it that loose, messy, not really trying to make it look like a neat braid kind of look. Lay them baby hairs, baby girl. Gotta lay them neat. I'm thinking of doing a tutorial of just specifically on baby hairs because I know a lot of you guys wanted that. And that is it, guys, just some finishing touches and we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.